up, GI baby? So today we are working with Westkiss hair, and it's just this beautiful blonde color that has dark roots. So first I'm doing my bob cap, and normally I don't show this step. I haven't showed this step in a while, but I just decided to just show you guys. I don't use the glue on my cap anymore. I just use the spray because I just feel like it's easier that way and it's less strenuous on my actual hair. So I'm just spraying that down, and then I'm gonna go ahead and blow dry it. And y'all, I absolutely hated my makeup. Like, I really hate when I do full coverage looks. Like, I really love minimal coverage. Like, I don't even know why I did like a full face. Like, I was not feeling it. So now I'm adding my makeup to my bald cap, and that is going to be the same makeup I use for the inside of all my units, and that's the Arcade by Kiss 3D Face Creator, and that is in the shade 15. I normally use 14, but I mistakenly picked up 15, but 15 is working pretty well for me. The shades are like almost the same. I just mixed both of them together. So today I decided that I wanted to do my glue in sections. So instead of putting all the glue on there, just one layer, I just went ahead and did sections. So I cut my sections off, and then I did the middle and the sides after. And I just did one layer of glue because I wasn't planning on wanting a really strenuous hold. So I was just like, I'm just gonna put one layer of glue, but still putting one layer of glue, I still put a hefty amount, so it still gave me a pretty good hold. And as I'm cutting my lace off, I am just going and adding lace glue where parts that I missed some spots, parts that need more glue. And like I always say, I'd rather you guys need to go back and add glue than adding too much glue, because it ends up a sticky mess and it's so uncomfortable. Like, nobody wants lace glue stuck on their forehead. Like, it's just such a bad feeling. So at first I thought I wanted to do like middle part curls, and I really feel like I did the baby hair so terrible on here, which is why you guys are gonna see me switching it to a side part at the end, because I feel like the middle part could have been cute, but I kind of messed it up, so I did have to revert to a side part. But now that I'm looking at it, I kind of like it better without the baby hair. It's like, I don't even know why I did it in the first place.
Damn, guys, this is gay.
So right here, I was just trying to get my middle part together, but like, it was just not working for me, y'all. Okay, you guys, so this is the end result for this hairstyle. I actually ended up putting it in the side part because I kind of messed up the middle part. Like, so I just literally just flipped it over to the side. I already still had the curls in. I didn't have to go over anything, and it just gave me this cute look. And I'm kind of happy that I did it, because I kind of like it in the side better than it being in the middle part in the first place. But yeah, this color is just so cute though. Like, I feel like if you kind of want to get introduced to blonde, but you don't want to kind of really make that commitment, like for real, this could be your first step to introducing color, because you have your dark roots at the top and then you have all of this going in, and it's kind of like mixed. And then at the same time, I didn't bleach my knots. I would suggest that you bleach your knots, but I didn't bleach my knots. But as you guys can see, even though I didn't, it still looks pretty cute. So if you guys don't want to bleach your knots for this unit, you don't have to, but I would say that you should, because normally when I do bleach my knots and it's like this color, it comes out like so flawless. But I was kind of trying to really get this on, so that's why I just went ahead and I was lazy and I didn't bleach it. But yeah. If you guys want all the information on this unit, make sure you guys click the description box down below and shop Westkiss hair. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's YouTube channel. And we'll be back for more videos soon. Stay blessed. Gia babies, we out.